Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we are doing the Parent song by Jeremy Zucker and Cuttler. Okay, so we're gonna play this in G major. We're not using the capo, so let's get right into it. And again, if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm gonna use, check out my chord video. It's in the description. It will teach you how to hold the chords, and then you come back here for your progressions. Okay, so the intro is the same as the verse, and we're playing G. So let me show you the chords for the beginner player. G. And then we go to D. And then E minor. And then we go to C. Alright. Now for the advanced player going up, we have a G and we're hammering on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And then we go to D, and then we come to E minor, and again we have that 3rd fret of the B string held up, and then C, we maintain that note, which means all chords you're going to be strumming to string number 2 except for D, because for D we're going to use that as our highest note. Okay, so now how you play it like they played on the song is I'm plucking here. For G you have 6 and then 3 and 2 simultaneously, so that's 6 1 1 6 1 1 6 1 1, and 1 is string 1 and 2 simultaneously. And then you go to D, and now you're using string 4 and string 1 and 2. Okay, so that's 4 1 1 4 1 1, and then you come to E minor, and you're plucking the same string 6 3 and 2, and then C 6 3 and 2 again. Alright, so that's your verse. And then I think there's a chord change in the pre-chorus. Okay, so you have that I'm still looking forward to vacation. Let's look up for everything we missed. So this chord is initially a B minor 7, which is an A minor in strings in frets 3 and 4, and then you bar the 2nd fret. But then I'm playing it as an open chord, which is a D7. That's 0 2 0 2 3 0. And again, you can check out my chord review of these chords. Alright, so now you have, and again you're plucking strings 5, 3 and 2, okay? Same as the ones you pluck on C. 5, 3 and 2, okay? So now, I'm still looking forward to our feeling of vacation. And then you open the 5th string, and you still maintain the other 2 strings, okay? And then we play that twice, and then we get into the chorus. Okay, there's that ocean, make up for everything, and then so G to D, okay, so the chorus is ooh, ooh, I'm so sorry. And this is basically 6 2 3 2 3 6 2 3 2 3, and you continuously do that. So it for a chorus. Let me just check if there's a bridge where the chords change. Okay, there is actually the na 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 na. Wow. And that's a lot of chord changes in the same song. It doesn't hurt to exist. Don't you mind, 'cause I still need you too. Then we get into Hey. Where else I'd rather spend my day. I love you, I know sometimes I don't say. I know everything will be okay. And then D7. Na 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 na. Okay, so now we have this na 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 na. This is a D7, and then we go to E minor. Sorry, A minor, E minor, and then C. Okay, so we have a D7, which is also a B minor 7. And then we go A minor, E minor, and then C. And here I'm just plucking strings 5, 4, 3, 2 the whole time. Okay, and then this September. So you enjoy. Don't think I can make it to November. I just really need to hear your voice. I hope it doesn't hurt, but it's true. Rest your mind, 'cause I still need you too. Alright, that is pretty much the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.